Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y side mirror folding mechanism failing and outlines commonly documented reasons why power folding mirrors may stop folding, unfolding, or operate inconsistently. This behavior has been observed across different production periods and can vary by model year, mirror hardware, software version, and environmental exposure. The side mirror folding system uses small electric motors, internal gears, position sensing, and body control logic to automatically fold and deploy the mirrors. Verified information shows that mechanical resistance is a primary factor. Dirt, dust, moisture, road grime, or ice buildup around the mirror hinge can increase resistance and cause the system to halt movement or disable folding to prevent motor damage. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Other verified contributors include wear within the mirror motor or gear assembly, wiring strain at the mirror pivot point, and software behavior that stops folding when abnormal resistance or position feedback is detected. In colder climates, low temperatures can stiffen internal components and lubricants, making folding less reliable. As a possibility, though not confirmed in every case, minor impacts, repeated manual force, or mirror housing misalignment could affect motor operation. General guidance includes checking for visible obstructions, keeping mirror hinges clean, observing whether one or both mirrors are affected, and noting if the behavior changes after software updates. Persistent folding failure may require service inspection to evaluate the mirror motor assembly, wiring integrity, or recalibration. Overall side mirror folding mechanism failure is typically related to mechanical resistance, component wear, or protective control logic, rather than a sudden electrical system fault. The exact cause can differ by vehicle generation, usage conditions, and climate exposure. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.